This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 14. This series is helpful especially for the CSS students because they often feel difficulty for the preparation of MCQs portion of different subjects. So this MCQ series is specially designed for the subjects of Pakistan Affair will help the students of CSS to prepare the MCQs portion. And other students who prepare for the job recruitment test through FESC or PPSC can also take benefit from this video series. Now let's start with this episode. In this video we will discuss the 29 MCQs regarding Minto-Morley reforms. First MCQ is, who became the Governor General of British India in 1910? Options are Lord Curzon, Lord Hardinge, Lord Mayo, Minto. So the correct answer is Lord Hardinge. Lord Hardinge became the Governor General of British India in 1910. Second MCQ, a separate electorate demand by Muslim League was put forward in. Options are 1906, 1909, 1911, 1915. So the correct answer is 1909. Separate electorate demand by Muslim League was put forward in 1909. Third MCQ, in which reforms Muslims' demand of separate electorate was incorporated? Options are Minto-Hastings reforms, Minto-Waring reforms, Minto-Morley reforms, Minto-Cornwallis reforms. Correct answer is Minto-Morley reforms. In Minto-Morley reforms, the Muslim demand of separate electorate was incorporated. Fourth MCQ, the acceptance of demand for appointment of Muslim judges was also incorporated in. Options are India Act 1919, India Act 1935, Minto-Morley reforms, India Act 1920. So the correct answer is Minto-Morley reforms. Fifth MCQ, who opposed the separate electorate? Options are Sikhs, Congress, Hindu, Congress and other Hindu bodies. So the fourth is the right option here, Congress and other Hindu bodies. Sixth MCQ, Hindus supported separate electorate. Which Hindus supported separate electorate? Options are Gandhi, Motilal Nehru, Patel, S.P. Sinha. So the correct answer is S.P. Sinha. S.P. Sinha was the Hindu who supported separate electorate. Seventh MCQ, which organizations believe that Muslims should be eliminated from India? Options are Arya Samaj, Hindu Mahasabha, Dev Samaj, Pratna Samaj. So the correct answer is Hindu Mahasabha. Hindu Mahasabha was the organization which believed that Muslims should be eliminated from India. 8th MCQ, India Councils Act of 1909 is also known as. Options are Minto-Hastings reforms, Minto-Morley reforms, Minto-Waring reforms, Minto-Cornwallis reforms. So the correct answer is Minto-Morley reforms. India Councils Act of 1909 is also known as Minto-Morley reforms. Who was Lord Morley? Options are Governor General of India, Secretary of State for India, Member of Legislative Council, Viceroy. So the correct answer is Secretary of State for India. Lord Morley was the Secretary of State for India. Who was Lord Minto? Options are Viceroy of India, Governor General, Secretary of State of India, Member of Legislative Council. So the correct answer is Viceroy of India. Lord Minto was the Viceroy of India. Which reforms conferred on the Muslims the double vote? Options are Chelmsford reform, Minto-Morley reform, Minto-Hastings reform, Minto-Cornwallis reform. So the correct answer is Minto-Morley reform. 12th MCQ, which reforms created awareness among Indian people? Options are Indian Council reform, legislative reform, Minto-Morley reform, political reforms of 1905. So the correct answer is Minto-Morley reform. It was the Minto-Morley reform which created awareness among the Indian people. 13th MCQ, acceptance of separate electorate for Muslims enhanced their. Options are social importance, political importance, economical importance, religious importance. So the correct answer is political importance. The acceptance of separate electorate for Muslims enhanced their political importance. 14th MCQ. Acceptance of separate electorate became the basis of Muslim freedom struggle. Options are one nation theory, two nation theory, three nation theory, four nation theory. So the correct answer is two nation theory. 15th MCQ. Who became the Governor General of British India in 1910? Options are Lord Curzon, Lord Hardinge, Lord Mayo, Lord Minto II. So the correct option here is Lord Hardinge. When the demand of separate electorate was put forward by Muslim League? Options are 1908, 1909, 1910, 1911. So the correct answer here is 1909. In 1909, the demand of separate electorate was put forward by Muslim League. The purpose of Hindu Mahasabha was to, options are eliminate Sikhs, eliminate Muslims, protect Hindus' interest, gain independence. So the correct answer is eliminate Muslims. The purpose of Hindu Mahasabha was to eliminate Muslims. Introduction of the principle of separate electorate was also demanded in, options are Central Board, Municipal Board, District Board, B and C. So the fourth is the right option here, B and C. Municipal Board and District Board, B and C is the right option here. The introduction of principle of separate electorate was also demanded in municipal boards and district boards, so both B and C are correct. Fourth is the right option here. 19th MCQ. Which branch of All India Muslim League made the earnest effort to bring home to the British government the necessity of conceding separate electorate? Options are Canadian branch, London branch, Turkish branch, Australian branch. So the correct answer here is London branch. Which Hindu organization emerged in Hindu politics with the prejudicial concept of nationalism? Options are Hindu Raj, Hindu Lok Sabha, Hindu Mahasabha, Hindu Bandh. So the correct answer is Hindu Mahasabha. Which organization believed that Muslims should be eliminated from the Indian society? Options are Arya Samaj, Hindu Mahasabha, Dev Samaj, Pratna Samaj. So the correct answer is Hindu Mahasabha. When British government announced that it desired to see democracy flourishing in India? Options are 1906, 1907, 1908, 1909. So the correct answer here is 1908. In 1908, British government announced that it desired to see democracy flourishing in India. 1908 is the right option here. Under which act the imperial and provincial councils were enlarged in size? Options are Indian Council Act 1861, Indian Councils Act 1864, Indian Councils Act 1892, Indian Councils Act 1909. So the correct answer here is Indian Councils Act 1909. Under the Indian Council Act of 1909, the imperial and the provincial councils were enlarged in size. 24th MCQ. A deputation met Lord Minto in 1909 for separate electorate for Muslims, headed by, options are Sir Aga Khan, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Sayyid Amir Ali, Zafar Ali Khan. So the correct answer here is Sayyid Amir Ali. A deputation met in Lord Minto in 1909 for separate electorate for Muslim was headed by Sayyid Amir Ali. How many people were killed in Kanpur incident in 1913? Options are 130, 133, 135, 137. So the correct answer here is 133. Total 133 people were killed in Kanpur incident in 1913. Which government demolished the mosque in 1913? Options are Muslim, Hindu, British, Sikh. So the correct answer here is British. What stand was taken by the British government to justify its act of demolishing Mosque Place? Options are: washing place is not the sacred part of Muslims, washing place is not the sacred part of Islam, washing place is not the sacred part of a mosque. B and C. C is the right option here. Third is the right option here. Washing place is not the sacred part of a mosque. Which lord, in order to pacify the Muslims' feeling, visited Kanpur? Options are Lord Minto, Lord Hardinge, Lord Wavell, Lord Curzon. So the correct answer is Lord Hardinge. When Lord Hardinge, in order to pacify the Muslim feelings, visited the Kanpur? Options are October 12, 1913, October 13, 1913, October 14, 1913, or October 15, 1913. So C is the right option here, October 14, 1913. So these are the 5 questions to test yourself. You can just pause the video here and solve these questions either on a paper or make a mental note and compare your answer from the comment section. Thank you so much.